Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The Best Drone Pro is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of technology for aerial photography and videography enthusiasts, offering a blend of advanced features and user-friendly operation that sets it apart in a crowded market. This drone is engineered to deliver professional-grade results, whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, dynamic action shots, or creating cinematic content, making it a compelling choice for both seasoned pilots and those looking to elevate their aerial game with a reliable and powerful tool. Number 5. Holy Stone HS724K Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial views with its advanced 4K UHD camera. It captures incredibly stable, high-resolution images and videos, free from any vibration, letting you see the world from new perspectives. Intelligent flight modes ensure you never lose track of it. It automatically returns home when the battery is low or the signal is lost, offering peace of mind during every flight. Enjoy intelligent flight features like auto-follow, custom path flying, and orbit mode. These functions allow you to focus on your creative vision while it handles the complexities of flight. With 2 intelligent batteries, enjoy up to 52 minutes of total flight time. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it the perfect companion for adventures on the go. Equipped with multiple sensors for stable hovering and optical flow positioning, it's incredibly easy to control, even for beginners. Advanced features ensure a smooth and reliable flight experience. Explore further with an impressive control range of up to 3,000 feet. The controller provides clear feedback on battery and GPS status, ensuring you're always in command. What we like. This drone offers an impressive 52 minutes of flight time, perfect for extended aerial photography sessions. Its 4K UHD camera captures stunning detail, while the long control range ensures you can explore further. If you need to cover a lot of ground or capture lengthy footage without frequent battery changes, this is the drone for you. What people say. The drone has a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal, providing incredibly stable and clear footage. Its flight time is impressive, lasting up to 30 minutes on a single charge, allowing for extended aerial photography sessions. The obstacle avoidance system works flawlessly, making it safe to fly even in complex environments. Number 4. Holy Stone HS720E 4K Drone. This drone meets FAA requirements for compliant flight. You can easily add the remote ID module for full compliance. Contact our support team if you have any questions. Capture breathtaking footage with its 4K camera featuring electronic image stabilization. The advanced Sony sensor ensures incredibly clear and stable videos, setting a new standard for image quality. Enjoy a smooth and stable flight experience thanks to its advanced altitude control and GPS positioning. With auto return to home, you can explore freely knowing it will always find its way back. Get up to 46 minutes of flight time with the included Fly More kit and 2 intelligent batteries. It also comes with a convenient carrying bag for easy transport. Master aerial photography with intuitive flight modes like Follow Me and Tap Fly. It can effortlessly navigate while you focus on capturing amazing photos and videos. Experience powerful, stable, and remarkably quiet flights thanks to its brushless motors. Enjoy the thrill of flight without the noise, while benefiting from increased motor lifespan and less maintenance. What we like. Experience incredibly smooth and clear footage with its 4K EIS anti-shake camera featuring a Sony sensor. With 46 minutes of flight time, you have ample opportunity to capture professional-looking shots. If image quality and stability are your top priorities, especially for cinematic video, this drone is an excellent choice. What people say. The drone has a very stable flight performance, even in windy conditions. Its camera captures stunningly clear and vibrant aerial footage. The battery life is impressive, allowing for extended flight times. Number 3. Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial scenery with its 1080p HD camera. The wide-angle lens helps you capture every wonderful moment from a unique perspective, making it perfect for any occasion. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes with its powerful modular battery. This allows you to capture and explore more of your surroundings without interruption. This drone is designed with a foldable frame, making it easy to take anywhere. It also comes with a convenient carrying case for effortless transportation. Enjoy a streamlined and safe flight experience with automatic takeoff and precise hovering. Its intelligent features make creating stunning content easier than ever. Designed for beginners, it includes intelligent functions like emergency stop and altitude hold. Its user-friendly features and long flight time make it ideal for practice. Take control with your voice or gestures for an intuitive flying experience. It's designed to be easy to operate, even for those new to drones. What we like. This drone is designed for ease of use with fun features like voice and gesture control, making it incredibly beginner-friendly. It captures good quality 1080p HD video. If you're new to drones or looking for an intuitive and entertaining flying experience for yourself or as a gift, this model is ideal. What people say. The drone has a 4K camera and a 3-axis gimbal for stable footage. It offers a flight time of up to 30 minutes on a single charge. The obstacle avoidance system works effectively in various conditions. Number 2. Velcase VGO 1080p HD Foldable Drone. Equipped with an adjustable 1080p HD camera, this drone captures breathtaking aerial photos and videos. Connect to the app to view real-time FPV footage and explore distant landscapes. With features like optical flow positioning and altitude hold, it's incredibly beginner-friendly. Multiple flight modes and controls offer a fun and delightful experience for all skill levels. Its foldable design makes it compact and portable, perfect for outdoor adventures. The included carrying case and accessories mean you can fly right out of the box. Enjoy up to 26 minutes of flight time with 2 included batteries. This ensures you have plenty of time to capture all your memorable moments from the sky. Powerful motors and built-in safety features like overcurrent protection ensure a safe and reliable flight. Propeller guards are also included for added security. This drone is designed to be your go-to-flight companion. We offer 24-hour technical support and refund services for any product-related issues. What we like. Enjoy a clear 1080p HD FPV feed and a variety of beginner-friendly functions, plus the fun of 360 degrees flips. With 26 minutes of flight time per battery, it's great for learning and practicing aerial maneuvers. If you're looking for an engaging drone that's easy to control and offers exciting flight modes for both beginners and intermediate users, this is a solid option. What people say. The drone has a very stable flight performance, even in windy conditions. The camera quality is excellent, capturing sharp and vibrant aerial footage. Battery life is impressive, allowing for extended flight times on a single charge. Number 1. Holy Stone HS700E 4K UHD Drone. Experience incredibly clear aerial shots with our advanced 4K camera. Its electronic image stabilization ensures smooth, shake-free video, while the wide field of view lets you capture more of every scene. Enjoy precise hovering thanks to dual satellite GPS positioning. If the signal is lost or the battery runs low, it automatically returns home, ensuring your drone's safety. Perfect for new pilots, this drone features altitude hold and headless mode. Optical flow sensors and air pressure sensors provide stable hovering for effortless first flights. Equipped with efficient brushless motors for quiet and durable operation. Its modular batteries and included carrying case make it ready for any outdoor adventure. Unlock fun flight modes with the companion app. Use Follow Me, set custom flight paths, and easily share your videos directly from your phone. The 5 GHz FPV transmission provides a steady and clear live view directly to your device. This ensures you don't miss any of the action as you fly. What we like. Capture stable 4K footage with its EIS camera and enjoy reliable flight thanks to dual GPS plus GLONASS positioning. The efficient brushless motor ensures durability and quiet operation. If you need a dependable drone for outdoor adventures that balances image quality with stable flight performance and ease of use, this model is a great fit. What people say. The drone has an amazing 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal for stable footage. Its 30-minute flight time per battery is impressive, allowing for extended aerial photography sessions. The obstacle avoidance system works flawlessly, making it safe to fly even in complex environments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.